All right, got done with the hunt. Probably the best hunt of the year in terms of birds working, decoying, number of birds and everything like that. So hope you enjoy it. Disclaimer, I forgot to get the first bird on film when it came to the shot. I realized it after it hit the water. So there's that. One in the hand. Perfect. All right, guys, so I just got this bluebill. I forgot to turn on my camera, but there he is. I'm like 2 minutes into legal shooting light. Bird really just died. All right, so that's gonna be the hunt. 15 minutes, got my Bluebill Limit in the Atlantic Flyway. Right now we can only shoot 2, so I got 2 within 15 minutes. Probably the best hunt of the year. I'm not versed well enough in diver ducks, and I'm really not seeing more than bluebills and ruddy ducks, so I'm gonna call it. I don't want to risk going over my limit, end up basically poaching a duck and getting a ticket. So we'll see. I didn't get that first duck on film. Sorry, that was probably the best decoy duck I've had in a long time. Single shot, dropped it. Second duck, hopefully got picked up by the camera. We'll know by this point. It looked stone dead when I went up to it. It dove. It didn't dive far, so I didn't want to risk it like I did the other day. So I got a clean headshot on it. Shot the entire head off, but the meat's fine, and didn't go any further. So awesome day, ton of birds flying around. If I had a boat instead of a kayak, there's actually some birds flying behind me right now. If I had a boat instead of a kayak, I would have been limited out in the first 3 minutes of shooting light. So they're definitely out here. You just got to put in the work and scout and find them. So good day. So tomorrow's Sunday, so can't hunt Sunday. We'll take a break, and then we'll be back at it on Monday. We only got a couple more days of the season. It's currently the 16th, and it ends on the 30th. So the grind's coming towards an end. All right, so these are the two birds I got right here. This was the first one that I dropped. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on film. It's a good bird. And then the second one where I had to get the headshot on him, right here. Still a good shot. I thought he was dead. Went down when I got close. Didn't die far, so, but I didn't want to risk it. So overall, awesome day. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was quick, it was fun, it was a great hunt. Sorry about not getting that first bird on film, but it happens. Remember, be safe, have a great day, and please join a conservation organization.